Has your oil pressure light come on? Don't ignore it, it's your engine's way of asking for attention. In this video, we'll cover 4 common reasons why this happens and how to fix them quickly. 1. Your oil level is low. The most common reason is low oil. Here's how to check. Open the hood, locate the oil dipstick, and wipe it clean. Reinsert it, pull it out, and check the level. If it's below the add mark, add the recommended oil for your car. Problem solved. But don't forget to check for leaks to prevent this from happening again. 2. Your oil is dirty. Over time, oil collects dirt and debris, reducing its effectiveness. Check the dipstick for oil color and texture. If it's sludgy, dark brown, or black, it's time for an oil change. Clean oil keeps your engine running smoothly. 3. Your oil pump needs replacement. If the oil is clean and full, but the light is still on, you may have a failing oil pump. This can cause improper oil circulation, leading to overheating or engine damage. Don't drive the car until a mechanic has inspected and repaired it. 4. Your oil pressure sensor is faulty. If the engine runs fine and the oil level and condition are good, the issue might be a faulty oil pressure sensor. In this case, it's safe to drive temporarily, but get the sensor replaced as soon as possible to avoid future confusion. We hope this video helped you understand why your oil pressure light might be on. If you have questions, leave a comment below, we'd love to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more car maintenance tips that save you time and money. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button.